Okay, so one of the biggest complaints about generic planners is that they include pages you don't need, and they leave out pages you do need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create digital planners that fits your needs. Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the biggest problems that people have with everyday planners. And those exact problems were the reason why I started creating my own personal planners. You see, I like to write a lot. I like to write on paper. The digital, I can write a little bit on my tablet, but I also like just individual pages that I can write in, where you can just take notes. And sometimes if they had the page where you take notes, the notes were all in the back of the planner. And I was like, that's kind of crazy what if I want those notes to reflect for that month? So stumbling through that, I just felt it to be so disorganized and it just didn't fit me. So that's why I decided to come up with the planner prompt guides and workbooks and blueprints that I decided to create. And if you want to get a updated version of the self-care planner guide that I created back last year, which is free, just check it out. The link will be down in the description box. It will be the first link, as a matter of fact. But anyway, I could no longer take it. So that's why I decided that I was going to create my very own planners. And I'm going to show you with one of the prompts that I have how you can do the same in creating your own planners. Okay guys, so here is one of the planner prompts that I have right here. And it is a longer prompt because I find that with these planner pages, sometimes they have to be a little bit longer, especially when you want specific details. And that's why I created the prompts for you, so you don't have to deal with that headache. Okay, of course I'm going to go and put my prompt in Artistly, which is my tool of choice that I use. And I am actually going to use it in an Illustrator. And I am going to do a clip art style. And we're going to go down to the bottom. And you could do this. I'm going to do this in a 3x4 aspect ratio, because that is a smaller planner size. And we're going to let it generate right here. Okay, just give it a little bit of time. Okay, it has already generated. And as you can see, look how nice these here are. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a bulk download and click on them all, and then hit the download section. We're going to download it as a zip file. Okay, now we're going to go, it has already been open, and how I usually look at mine, I just select everything and just say open. Now this is going to let me know if there's anything I need to clean up. Notes, monthly tab, like that right there, that might need to be cleaned up. But look how nice this is. Hold on, let me kind of bring it back down some. It's like I can't. Okay, there we go. Okay, menu prep planner, dinner, they call it the dinner nook. Ingredients, and this right here is another weekly planner. And I hate that it's showing flowers on here, because I'd rather for it to show food if we're going to do meal prep and things of that nature. Now, you can change this up, okay? This is where you get creative, because you might say, you know what? I just want a page with less information and more lines. I don't know. So let's go back to the prompt. And let's see. It said planner page. And it's giving it a lot more detail, but it's not bringing all the detail in. Now, this will vary. If you want to use, if you have Artistly, you are definitely welcome to use that one. If you use ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT's image generator, which will work just as good for you as well. So let's see how we can customize this. How about we remove, let's see, let's say that we change the lady. Let's do that. Beautiful. We're going to take out the urban. Female flair. With food. And we're going to take out the soul food. Kitchen aesthetic design with a stylish, bold, cozy, and culture rich. And we're going to change it. Let's say design should feel stylish, bold, and whimsical. The woman, got too many L's there. Okay. Modern, with soft, glam, beautiful hair and warm confidence around her. Includes tasteful displays of modern dishes, such as, let's say, sushi. Okay, there we go. Let's try a meatloaf. Let's try cheeses and green beans. And we're gonna do dinner rolls. Oh, they already had green beans, so we can get rid of that. Rice, sweet tea. And instead of a cobbler, we're gonna do a peach pie. Okay. The food should feel inviting. Let's also change up some of the colors. And the palette should be, let's try a bright gold, cream brown, bright coral, and let's see, instead of a dusty rose, let's go with a hot pink. Deep teal and warm beige. Of the modern lifestyle. Okay. Let's make sure we got enough in there. Alright, let's see what we get, guys. We're going to do another copy and paste. We're going to go back to Artistly. I'm going to put it in the Art Illustrator. I'm going to go back to the Clipart. I'm going to paste it in. And I will also do one for you guys in ChatGPT, just so that you can see the different image generators to see if it's something that you guys would like. Okay. Go back to the top and look at what we get here. Now we're going to do a bulk download again, just so that we can see it up a little bit closer. Download as a zip file. It should open automatically. Great. Now I'm going to copy all of those and just open it up. There we go. Beautiful meal prep. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, wait a minute, guys. It's doing it again. Okay. Alright. Again, guys, if you are interested in getting the free self-care planner guide, check it out. It's the first link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for stopping by again, and I will see you guys in the next video.